Finally back at the marina on the south end of Torch Lake. I've only made one Torch Lake video this whole summer, and it was 4th of July. So it's a beautiful day, middle of August, or I guess almost end of August. And there's been, it's about noon, there's been a steady stream of boats just coming down the river. I gotta get ours cleaned up before we hit the sandbar, just trash from the week at the cottage, but show you the river for a few minutes and then we'll head out to the sandbar. I would say that's a pretty typical Saturday on Torch Lake. It felt a little light when I was out there, but after a while, like, you could tell there was a fair number of people. Something's going on with my drone. It just doesn't work good anymore. Like, it'll lose connection mid-flight and stuff. So I was only filming where I could see the drone where the camera was pointing, as opposed to looking at it on my screen. So I have no idea how the drone video came out. Hopefully it's good. I don't know, I guess I need to get a new drone. The DJI Spark that I use right now, that's been on the bottom of this lake, I think 4 or 5 times. Maybe it's just done. I don't know, maybe it's related to the DJI China stuff. I don't know. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and love you.